So guys, they watching another video. The most inconsistent car YouTuber ever. I'm sorry guys, I've been slacking so much on the YouTube content. I haven't even been posting that many videos, but I appreciate everyone who's still riding along with us and watching the videos. You guys are all real ones, I appreciate it. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button before we get into the video. Smash the like button for me, it helps me out a lot. And yeah, today should be very, very lit. I'm super excited. There's a huge Origins meet tonight. Shout out to the homies Origins. They throw crazy ass events, and today's gonna be probably one of the biggest ones. Last time I brought the drift car, if you guys remember that, I'll play a clip right here. That shit was super freaking fun. I was gonna bring the drift car again, but I woke up super late. We're already freaking late. I fell asleep at like 5:30 in the morning. I only got like 3 or 4 hours of sleep. Trying to work on some business things behind the scenes, so I fell asleep super late. I don't think we're bringing the drift car. I don't have enough time to go get a trailer and a truck and all that good stuff. But we are gonna bring the GTR, of course. We got Jordan here. Jordan wanted to wash the car before we took it.
I just sang beautiful, baby.
I bring my car to car shows dirty, guys, all the time. So Jordan's like, we can't pull up like that, bro. It's mostly the wheels, dude. These wheels get so dirty. Big ass brake calipers, guys. Anyways, we're gonna get the GTR washed and then head to the car show. We're super late, so we gotta hurry up. Okay guys, change of plans. We are taking the drift car now. I didn't have a truck and trailer, but Joseph decided to call a tow truck for me. No! Damn it, it doesn't start, bro. Shit is so loud, dude. So yeah guys, we're bringing both cars now. The GTR and the E46. Oh my god, it's gonna be crazy. This car causes so much attention.
My leg, I feel my leg is pretty, I just want so fucking shake.
It's adrenaline.
Like it's a good feeling, but it just makes it feel so weird.
So you get like an adrenaline rush when you drive this thing, guys. Like the way it sounds, and you sit in it, it's just scary. Like you get like hella adrenaline. Jordan was like, bro, I'm shaking, and that's the same way I feel. Every time I get in this car, I start shaking. Like I just have so much adrenaline. It's crazy. And no other car has made me feel like that, but this one. Why are you scared, bro?
That car, like,
I don't think you can handle it.
It just makes you so fucking, like, the adrenaline is just crazy.
I don't think you can handle that, Jordan.
You can handle anything.
My twin! But it's blue.
Hey, man.
She has the trunk too. Oh shit! Put the flame tune on? Alright guys, we made it. Irwindale Speedway. Looks like it's already packed.
My shit's gonna die, I swear.
You didn't charge your camera?
I didn't charge it, I swear to God.
Andy vlogs?
Andy vlog, no. AMG vlog.
AMG vlogs, bro.
AMG vlog right down there.
Look at this, guys. We got Sam's car out here, my drift car, the GTR. It's gonna be sick. I think I might let Joseph whip it because I want to see Joseph whip the E46 in there. Bro, if Joseph takes it in, people are gonna think it's me.
Probably.
I'm a pro, you know?
It's fucking just testing out.
Damn, guys, look at that shit. SDJ. Z01s are sick. I've been a fan of those. Oh, shoot.
What's up, baby?
But yeah, guys, this is where we ended up parking after like 3 times. We moved from over there to there to there. But we finally got our own parking spot. But yeah, we got Sam's car, my other car. The homie Andy's AMG. Damn, guys, look at this thing. E46. Oh, he's kind of all over me, bro. Not gonna lie.
I like that wide body.
That wide body kit's hard. This is what I need to do, guys. I really want to put some more money into the E46. I haven't done anything to that car in like maybe a year or 2. I really haven't, bro. I haven't added nothing.
Complete, honestly.
Kind of, but I want to make it look good. Like I want to buy a hood again. I want to buy fenders, wide body kit, and a bumper. I want to make it look just like this. This thing's sick too, bro. Oh my god. Jordan, look at this, dude.
What's that one that?
Damn, that shit looks clean. If I didn't get an E46 drift car, it would have been like a 240. Damn, GTR. This is actually the one I saw the other day. Looks so sick with the Nismo kit. Another GTR. This thing is crazy, bro. That is insane. That looks like a full-on race car. So sick. Imagine seeing that shit driving on the freeway. Like, it's a straight-up race car. Got the homies GTR, Liberty Walk kit. Sheesh. There's a lot of sick cars, guys. Look, SV, McLaren. What's up, Jordan? You vlogging?
Nice quality builds around there.
Some NSXs, RX-7s. Oh my God, guys, these RX-7s are sick. You don't like those? I like those headlights a lot.
I like the flip up.
The Need for Speed E46. This thing's sick. Guys, I can't find the Z. I've been looking every single day on OfferUp, Craigslist, and I can't find one. I'm trying to find a nice, clean, decent, stock one. That's stick shit. That's all I need. Jordan just asked, would I take the SV or this crazy ass Ferrari with the GT3 kit? They're super rare. And that thing is badass. I'm not gonna lie, that is a sick ass Ferrari. Maybe one of the sickest Ferraris I've seen. But I'm still gonna have to go with the SV.
This is so beautiful.
Actually, I see SVJ over there. I'll take the SVJ out of every car in this parking lot. Woo! I would take this car, guys, over any car in this parking lot. I swear. SVJ is my dream car, dude. It's like an $800,000 car. Oh my God, this thing is beautiful, bro. Look at the interior. Alcantara with white leather, carbon fiber doors. Sheesh, bro. Alcantara dash. This thing is just a piece of art, dude. Just look how crazy that is. That rear bumper's like all carbon fiber. That's my dream car, guys. My ultimate dream car is right here. Little R8. That's the one we saw on the freeway, I think. I was trying to race him, but he didn't want to race. Sick ass little drift car. There's a lot of drift cars here, actually. Right-hand drive. Damn. This is sick. There's like a little bit of everything, guys. We got like show cars, drift cars, supercars, exotics. Look at that, guys. R8. Thing's nice. Look, Jordan, right there. My next car. You don't like that, bro? I think I'm doing it, guys. It's the next car. Look at this thing. That thing is hard, bro. With red calipers, bro, this is all me right here. This is exactly what I would do if I had one. Looks so freaking sick. Has a wide body kit too. Sheesh. Goals, guys. One day when you just have stupid money and you can just buy a Lamborghini Urus as a daily. That's the perfect daily right there. Yeah. Guys, look at this thing. They literally slammed the Razor. What's this Subaru on it, bro? What? Slammed on some street tires. So he said it's a drift car, guys. They actually drift it. It's made for off-roading, but they turned it into a drift car. And this thing is badass. Has a hydro in it. Yeah, this is literally a little drift car. Look at that one too. These little S2000s are insane, bro. Turbo versus Pro Charger. That's sick. That looks sick on his head. Oh, like this. That's crazy, bro. Oh! Look, guys, I haven't showed mine in the vlog yet. I gotta show you guys when I get home. I'll put a picture right here, but this homie, he made me some custom boards, custom skateboards. And look, that's Kevin's car.
That's Kevin's.
We got
This is someone else's car.
That thing's sick. Oh, we gotta do one like that at the GTR.
Yeah, so
some
it's
Donda.
as quick as just uploading a picture and
Yeah,
getting it printed, just
that's
like that.
sick. So he makes custom skateboards, guys. I'm gonna throw his Instagram right here. He made me a GTR one. I'll throw it on the screen. I don't have it with me. I should have brought him, but I'm gonna hang him up in my wall. It's gonna be sick.
Yeah, and you'll see the visual of it in the next clip.
Exactly. Guys, if we made something with my GTR on it, who would cop one? I think it would be badass like this with the GTR.
Bro, imagine we get pulled over right now.
I don't think he can do anything because we're in the racetrack. That's so funny. Look at all the merch, guys. Damn, Jordan got the M3. I got the GTR. Look at this. Look, this is my first merch drop that I've ever dropped. And you got it still.
Yes, sir.
That's crazy. I don't even have my own, bro. I lost my
I
own.
went through a E46 M3 because of you, an F30 because of you.
That's crazy, bro.
I'm
Thank
on
you, dude.
435.
Thank you, bro. I
Love you, bro.
appreciate that. This little Miata sounds crazy. Oh. Woo. That shit is crazy. Don't make me turn mine on, bro.
They don't want it.
Might let Joseph just whip the E46 in there. I want to see it from the outside, honestly. I had fun last time. I think I might let Joseph do it first, and then maybe I'll try it.
Oh my god, bro, I hope Joseph doesn't hit the wall on my E46. I think Sam's up next. It's so funny, people probably think it's me, but it's Joseph. Don't hit the wall, Joseph. Bro, my car looks so sick. I never get to see it drive. Look at Joseph, bro. Look at everybody. Yeah, guys, that was FindingNick out there. That was me. That was me out there.
That's your clone?
I like the outfit. I want to be so bad. I'm trying to find one, guys. It's a perfect project car. Oh, step on it. Oh, something blew up.
I'm no expert, I'm no mechanic, I'm just some asshole they paid to talk on the microphone, but that did not sound good.
That did not sound good, bro.
She broke once again.
Yeah, I was right on the wall. Everyone probably thought it was me. I just pranked everyone, my bad. Look how nerve-wracking it is, guys. Everyone's watching. Sam and Joseph, they've done this their whole life, but when I went out there for the first time, I was so scared and nervous. Look at this, guys. That's even sick. It's red, too. Yeah, that was clean. Yeah, guys, I'm buying this Z right after this. I swear. Like, every single car broke. That 240 broke. The red Z might be broken. This thing's broken. That one almost caught on fire. Jordan said a Mach 1, they're expensive?
And I think it's boosted.
It's expensive or no?
Yeah, it's like
How much are those?
it's like a limited.
And he just kind of fucked it up.
I don't know if that's oil. Hopefully not.
That shit looked like it was on fire, bro. It was smoking. This is the one that we saw in the vlog a couple weeks ago, but this thing is sick. E92. They look so clean, bro. Tail lights, the wing, everything. So sick. That was the spec I wanted when I first looked for them, but they're hard to find.
White?
Yeah, I think it's called Frozen White. Hey, look at guys. This is the homie I saw. He made me sign it. I just messed it up, bro. I'm just kidding. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Look at the other homie has my other merch, bro. We all got merch out here. Everyone got merch. Everyone's showing so much love. I appreciate you guys so much. This is the homie right there, checking out the GTR right now. He just gave me these. Look, he gave me a Gladiator with some dirt bikes in the back. That was so sick. And look, my dream car, the Huracan. And a little letter. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Another piece of merch, bro. Everyone got the merch out today. It's so sick.
I see like 2 other people.
A lot of people got it, bro. Look, we got it.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. While y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life, cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why comprehend?